Let us discuss all the non-CAT exams which are for MBA entrance across different universities and institutes. So I'll be discussing all those papers. I'll be discussing the paper pattern, top colleges, how to apply, what are the average package of different colleges which are applicable through these exams. Also the average placement report and all that stuff, and the paper pattern with exact marking scheme. So let's move ahead. The first is NMAT. Now, NMAT is this exam is conducted by a college called Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies in Mumbai, Shirpur, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, and this exam also enables people to take admission in SDA Bocconi, Asia Center, MIT Business School, etc. Packages, if I talk about the top packages, the top B schools for this exam is NMIMS, Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies in Mumbai, 25.1 lakhs per annum. XIMB, Xavier's Institute of Management in Bhubaneswar for HR. Now, Xavier is also through XAT and also through NMAT. The package is 17.02, STA 15, TAPMI, it's in Manipal, TAPMI Management Institute, 14 lakhs per annum. KJ Somaiya, 13, and NMIMS Hyderabad, 14 lakhs per annum. Average salary, if you look at top 5 B schools, will be 19 plus, top 8 will be 14 plus, and top 12 will be 8 plus. So I think the packages are decent. In case people do not clear CAT or do not go to IIMS, the top B schools, they can opt for this exam as well. Now, this exam will be consisting of 108 questions across 3 sections, which means every section will be having 36 questions each. 108 divided by 3 in 2 hours, which means now the time is not equally divided. In language skills, the 28 minutes, in quantitative skills, the 52 minutes, and logical reasoning, there are 40 minutes. So overall, 120 minutes. And the trickiest part is the adaptive marking scheme. Now, what is adaptive marking? So here, there's no negative marking. The thing is, based on your answer, based on your responses, the engine, the software engine, starts throwing different kind of questions, which means, let's say I'm able to solve an easy question. The next question will be a bit difficult one. Then if I solve it correctly, it'll be more difficult. And if I solve it wrong, I'll get an easy question. That is how it adapts to your performance. And that is how the marks are given. So nobody knows what exactly they calculate the marks, but this is how they do it. Also, last year, they introduced a competency test in which verbal ability has 9 questions, mental ability has 6 questions, and managerial ability has 5 questions within 45 minutes. Overall, 20 questions in 45 minutes, multiple choice questions are there. All right. Now, the pass cutoff in 2024 for NMIMS Mumbai, if I talk about the cutoff score in 23 was 234, then 209. So basically, the paper in 24 was on a difficult level side. If you look at all the cutoffs, they have lowered, and the cutoff percentile 98 to 99, and so on, which normally happens across all the exams. All right. Now, next is SNAP exam for Symbiosis. Symbiosis has many branches. So colleges that accept these scores are SIBM in Pune, SCMHRD, again Symbiosis for HR in Pune, SIBM in Bangalore, SIIB for international business in Pune, etc. And if you look at the B school, the packages, 28.16 to 14.27, this is where it ranges. So decent enough. In fact, SIBM Pune and SMHRD are the top B schools over here, with average placements of 18 plus lakhs per annum for top 5 B schools. For top 8, it's 14 plus. For top 12, it's 8 plus. All right. The pattern is, it is a speed-based exam. Only 60 questions to be done in 60 minutes. Okay. And in general English, we'll be having 15 questions. In logical reasoning, 25. In quant and DI, which is a combined section, we'll be having 20 questions to be done in 60 minutes. So every correct answer will earn 1 mark, and every incorrect will be giving you minus 0.25. All right. Cutoffs are as follows for SIBM Pune, SCMHRD Pune, SIIB Pune, then Bangalore, then Nashik. These are the cutoff percentiles, which is kind of same for all the other exams as well. Now, NMAT plus SNAP. So we have a course which is called NMAT plus SNAP, and we also have courses for NMAT separately and SNAP separately. But a lot of people, they kind of choose both these colleges, so it becomes easier and cheaper for them to have a combined course. In this course, we'll be having pre-recorded videos in which for quants and DI, we will be having 200 plus basic conceptual videos. For LRDI, 150 plus videos. For verbal, 100 plus videos. Special basic mathematics conceptual videos for students extremely weak in QA. And the live classes will be having weekly 5 live classes starting post mid-August, and there'll be 10 NMAT specific full-length mock tests, 10 SNAP specific tests, and 4,000 plus questions for practice. And also you'll be getting access to 24/7 doubt solving. Coming to ZAT. I would say ZAT is the second biggest exam after CAT, and it has got one of the best colleges of Asia. It is XLRI, Jamshedpur, where package is 31.08 lakhs per annum, and then Mecca is there, IMT Ghaziabad, IMI New Delhi, JM Goa. By the way, all these 4 colleges also accept scores from CAT, but ZAT is also an entry point. XLRI Jamshedpur, Xavier's Labor Relation Institute, XIMB University, Mecca Ahmedabad, IRMA, this is an Institute for Rural Management in Anand. Anand is a place in Gujarat. IMT Ghaziabad, IMI New Delhi, Ford School of Management, TAPMI, Manipal, Great Lakes, Chennai, GIM Goa, Somaiya, Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management in New Delhi. So if you look at the average packages for top 5, it's 18 plus, then 14 plus, then 11 plus. So decent packages. In fact, if you go to XLRI, I would call it to be the best B school for HR in entire Asia, not just India. So here, the pattern is, it'll be 3 hours paper, and we'll be having 95 questions in total. So what is the breakdown? Let's see that. There are 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1, we have quant and DI combined, decision making, verbal and LR. Now, decision making is something new, which is not there in any of the exam. It's a kind of a mix of critical reasoning and psychology. So we have 28, 21 and 26 questions respectively to be solved in the same amount. This is the number of marks, because every correct question will fetch you 1 mark. And there is no sectional time limit. So 170 minutes, you have to finish all of it. Part 2 will be GK, in which 20 questions will be there for 20 marks. There is no negative marking, so you can have a calculated guess everywhere. Now, 1 mark for correct answer, 0.25 for wrong, and if you do not mark more than 8 questions, you will be getting minus 0.1 for every question that you don't mark after 8 questions. That's strange, but true. Pass cutoff, 94 to 96 percentile for XLRI Jamshedpur, and so on. 91 to 92, 90 to 91, 89 to 90, 85 to 87, 85 to 86 for XLRI Jamshedpur, XIMB University, Mecca, IMT Ghaziabad, JIM Goa, and IRMA. All right. Let's go on to understand what do we offer. In ZAT, there'll be recorded videos and live classes. So for quants and DI, we'll be having 300 plus videos. For decision making, 100 plus videos. For VARC, 150 plus videos. And special basic mathematics conceptual videos for students extremely weak in quant will also be there. And same will be there for DI section. In the live classes, they'll be starting from mid-October, and there'll be full-length 7 mock tests, 7 previous year papers, and 4,000 plus practice questions. There'll also be ZAT specific GK PDFs and 24/7 doubt solving. All right. Now, CMAT. The colleges that score CMAT, that accept CMAT exams scores are JBIMS Mumbai, Jamnalal Bajaj, great college. Simshri Mumbai, IMT Nagpur, BIMT Greater Noida, Christ University, Goa, GIM, it's through CAT, ZAT, CMAT, XBS Kolkata. And here you see the highest packages of JBIMS, that is 26. Rest we have 15, 17, 15 and 12 for Simshri, Great Lakes, NIBM and Wellinger respectively. Top 5 B schools offer 16 lakhs per annum. 16 lakhs plus per annum, and top 8, 12 lakhs per annum plus, and top 12 will be 9 lakhs per annum plus. Pattern is like this. There'll be 100 questions divided across 5 different sections: quant and DI, logical reasoning, language comprehension, general awareness, innovation and entrepreneurship, 20 questions each with 80 marks respectively. So every correct answer will fetch you 4 marks, and every wrong will be fetching you minus 1 mark. That is very important. Last year cutoff, if you see, it's very much pretty similar to the other exams like CAT. So top one is JBIMS, will be requiring 99.9 percentile to get a call from there. In CMAT course, we have 200 plus basic conceptual videos for quant plus DI, 150 plus videos for LRDI, 100 plus videos for verbal, And special modules for arithmetic and DI will be there for people who are not very comfortable with mathematics and DI. There'll be 5 classes weekly starting from December, and 10 plus GK intensive live sessions will also be there. And among mock tests, we'll be having full length 10 mocks for CMAT, and there'll be 5 previous year papers plus 2000 plus practice questions. Innovation entrepreneurship is also there, so we'll be having videos for that as well. And CMAT specific GK will be 20 plus PDFs and 10 plus static GK PDFs as well. Now comes MHCET, Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, in which the top B school is JBIMS in Mumbai, Simshri, Pumba, this is Pune University, MBA, SIES, Wellinger, V school at Wellinger, then XIMR, the highest packages of course of JBIMS, we discussed earlier also. Here, the pattern is like this. We have 200 questions. Now, this is very strange type of pattern. 25 questions for abstract reasoning, 75 for logical reasoning. Abstract is pictorial reasoning, where it will be shown pictures, like if something rotates or mirror images, those kind of questions. 50 for quants, 50 for verbal ability and reading comprehension. Marks are same, so 1 mark for every correct answer, and there is no negative marking. That is the best point over here. Okay, pass cutoff, it's pretty much similar to the other exams. Now, in MHCET course, you will be getting 200 plus basic conceptual videos for quant DI, 150 plus videos for LRDI, 100 plus videos for verbal, and same kind of modules which were offered in the earlier courses as well. There will be weekly 5 classes starting from December, and there will be 10 MHCET mocks, 4,000 plus questions for practice, and previous MHCET papers will also be there in form of quiz, and 24% dot solving. That's needless to say. Coming to MICAT. This is my favorite exam, I will say. This is for Mecca, Mudra Institute of Communication in Ahmedabad. Only one college. Average package is 19.22 lakhs per annum. It's also called Mecca of marketing. The reason is simple, because they have, if you want to go into branding, advertisement, this is the best college for MBA in branding and advertisement. Here we have section A is of psychometric test, in which we have 150 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. So it's a speed-based exam. In section B, descriptive writing. So you'll be shown some pictures and you'll be forming a story on that. So if you want to know how to write those stories, you can just click here and there'll be a video. I have discussed a story over there. In section C, verbal ability, quant DI, convergent and divergent thinking, 60 questions and 20 for general awareness. So here we have 4 marks for every correct answer, -1 for every wrong answer. So these are the entire things which we have all non-CAT course. You can just go and enroll there. NMAT plus SNAP, ZAT course, CMAT course, MHCET course, MBA full mocks also you can enroll. So this is all about the exams. We can say OMETs, other management entrance tests other than CAT. See you in the classes. Thank you.